for the roll bar grab handles and hat donated from Crown Automotive. Winning ticket numbers 927-701. The second number 927-765. Again, 927-701 and 927-765. And you will be able to check your numbers at the headquarters booth, just in case you want to double check your tickets to ensure that you do have any winners. Again, 927-701 and 927-765. That's for the roll bar grab handles and hat from Crown Automotive. Tickets are still on sale for the winch raffle and for the general raffle, so go on down, see the people at the headquarters booth or some of the people in the and it looks like he broke his drive shaft.
Didn't get very far.
Sounds like something's binding out.
Back's spinning, but it's not. At least wheel I see is not.
Looks like the slip yoke pulled apart. Two-wheel drive, I don't think he's getting too far. But for drive shafts, let's not forget one of our sponsors, Tom Woods, custom drive shafts, trail tested, competition proven, show quality. You do have time to fix it. Clock is ticking.
Hello.